we're going to talk about my pre-trading routine. Now, I've grouped a couple of questions together here. Some people asked, what is my pre-trading routine specifically? Some people asked, how many hours do I sleep? And some people asked, how much time do I usually spend on the chart? So for me, I'm East Coast New York time. So the US markets open at 9:30. That's when the equity markets open. However, we know Forex trades 24 hours a day. So I can wake up at 3 a.m. some days and start trading and make money. I can also wake up at 5 a.m., start trading and make money. I could do it at 1 a.m., I could do it at 7 a.m. I have that opportunity just like you guys do, but depending on where you live, I know that time zone might be an issue. So for me, the thing that I think is most important to get across, at least with these questions that were all based around the pre-trading routine, is that you shouldn't just be waking up and coming right to the screen. We're sitting in front of my Mac right now where I trade every day. But before I get here, I make sure that I spend at least 5 minutes out in the living room just waking up, not on my phone, not doing anything else. Now, I know some people do meditation, some people do this, some people do that. Everybody has their routine, and that's fine. Go figure that out, whatever works for you. But I don't need to do all that. I wake up, I'm interested, I want to know what's going on in the group chat, I want to know what's going on, but I don't let myself just come right to the screen because I know I won't make good decisions. So I have my coffee, being made by the Nespresso machine. I sit down on the couch, say good morning to the cats, and I just wake up slowly, and then I'll check my phone, say good morning to the group chat, and then get into my day. Now, I will take time in the middle of the day, because this is what I do full time, to go to the gym, reset, like I just got back and showered to do the video here. That's where I do get a little bit more of that meditative kind of thought and alone time, you could say. I don't need it so much in the morning right when I wake up. When I wake up, ask Riley, like the way that I am, I just like to go. So for my pre-trading routine and what time I'm trading, like I said, it's between 3 and 5 a.m. normally. I'm at the desk at that point making my trading decisions. And then I'm usually done my trading by 11 a.m. So if I'm in a trade, I'm stop locked, and like the shirt says, my stop is locked and I'm letting that trade go. But I'm not adding to any positions after 11 a.m. That's when I look to be done for the entire day.